International Day of Yoga. The International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015, following its inception in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice which originated in India. The Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his UN address in 2014, had suggested the date of 21st June as it is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere and shares a special significance in many parts of the world. In this day, we will discuss the 10 benefits of yoga that are supported by science. Yoga, the term, derived from the Sanskrit word yuji, meaning yoke or union. Yoga is an ancient practice that brings together mind and body. It incorporates breathing exercises, meditation, and poses designed to encourage relaxation and reduce stress. Here are the major 10 health benefits of yoga. 1. Yoga can decrease stress. Yoga is known for its ability to ease stress and promote relaxation. In fact, multiple studies have shown that it can decrease the secretion of cortisol, the primary stress hormone. 2. Yoga relieves anxiety. Many people begin practicing yoga as a way to cope with feelings of anxiety. Interestingly enough, there is quite a bit of research showing that yoga can help reduce anxiety. In one study, 34 women diagnosed with an anxiety disorder participated in yoga classes. At the end of the study, those who practiced yoga had significantly lower level of anxiety than the control group. It is not entirely clear exactly how yoga is able to reduce symptoms of anxiety. However, it emphasized the importance of being present in the moment and finding a sense of peace, which could help treat anxiety. 3. Yoga may reduce inflammation. In addition to improving your mental health, some studies suggest that practicing yoga may reduce inflammation as well. Inflammation is a normal immune response, but chronic inflammation can contribute to the development of pro-inflammatory diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. 4. Yoga could improve heart health. From pumping blood throughout the body to supplying tissues with important nutrients, the health of your heart is an essential component of overall health. Studies show that yoga may help improve the heart health and reduce several risk factors for heart diseases. One study found that participants over 40 years of age who practiced yoga for 5 years had a lower blood pressure and pulse rate than those who didn't. Some research also suggests that incorporating yoga into a healthy lifestyle could help slow the progression of heart diseases. 5. Yoga may fight depression. Some studies show that yoga may have an antidepressant effect and could help decrease symptoms of depression. This may be because yoga is able to decrease level of cortisol, a stress hormone that influences levels of serotonin, the neurotransmitter often associated with depression. 6. Yoga could reduce chronic pain. Chronic pain is a persistent problem that affects millions of people and has a range of possible causes from injuries to arthritis. There is a growing body of research demonstrating that practicing yoga could help reduce many types of chronic pain. In one study, 42 individuals with carpal tunnel syndrome either received a wrist splint or did yoga for 8 weeks. At the end of the study, yoga was found to be more effective in reducing pain and improving grip strength than wrist splinting. 7. Yoga could promote sleep quality. Poor sleep quality has been associated with obesity, high blood pressure, and depression, among other disorders. Studies show that incorporating yoga into your routine could help promote better sleep. In a 2005 study, 69 elderly patients were assigned to either practice yoga, take an herbal preparation, or be part of a control group. The yoga group fell asleep faster, slept longer, and felt more well rested in the morning than the other groups. 8. Yoga improves flexibility and balance. Many people add yoga to their fitness routine to improve flexibility and balance. There is considerable research that backs this benefit, demonstrating that it can optimize performance through the use of specific poses that target flexibility and balance. 9. Yoga could help improve breathing. Pranayama or yogic breathing is a practice in yoga that focuses on controlling the breath through breathing exercises and techniques. Most types of yoga incorporate these breathing exercises, and several studies have found that practicing yoga could help improve breathing. In one study, 287 college students took a 15-week class where they were taught various yoga poses and breathing exercises. At the end of the study, they had a significant increase in vital capacity. 10. Yoga can increase strength. In addition to improving flexibility, yoga is a great addition to an exercise routine for its strength building benefits. In fact, there are specific poses in yoga that are designed to increase strength and build muscle. In one study, 79 adults performed 24 cycles of sun salutations, a series of foundational poses often used as a warm-up, 6 days a week for 24 weeks. They experienced a significant increase in upper body strength, endurance and weight loss. Women had a decrease in body fat percentage as well. These are the 10 major health benefits of yoga practices. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such informative videos.